If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Look at that incredible pump from Bitcoin over the past day. In fact, this is what we have been predicting for the past week. There were some moments where we had a fake out over here to the upside and we started to come back down, but I told you guys that we just need to protect this key level of support over here marked out by this purple box. Why? Because at that very moment in time when this was the top, we can see it's the golden pocket. So going forward, we just need to maintain above this for a break to the upside. Yes, we broke to the upside, but a lot of YouTubers, when we started to come down here, was starting to panic. A lot of the big reputable ones were starting to panic, saying, oh, this is bad and this could be game over and whatnot. But on the channel here, we were stating that no, this is bullish as we're holding above this low, and we can see in line with that low, this higher low, we can see the 200 EMA on the 1 hour time frame. So when we came to the golden pocket over here, this is a sign of rejection. So a lot of YouTubers saying it's game over again, or that, oh, this is dangerous, be careful, or warning, Bitcoin's about to dump, or whatever. And that is correct, because this would be, of course, a lower high, but you need to go ahead and lose this low. And if we're seeing that previously over here, when we came to a key level of support in the past, and when we confirm this support again, the 200 EMA was there. So this signals that it's the bottom of this uptrend on the 1 hour time frame. And so when we came into it again over here, if this is an uptrend, which means higher highs, so an eventual break of this level, then we should, of course, eventually break through this to head to there. So what I did is I entered a trade from down here and just took it to the golden pocket, as we know, because previously when we got rejected over here, there was a risk of a new low, losing this low. What stopped that from happening is the bottom of our uptrend, the 200 EMA, and also on the 1 hour time frame, we spotted a bullish divergence where on the chart we're seeing higher lows, but lower lows on the indicator over here. So I just took it back to the key level and closed my trade for a 4.6 reward, suggesting that I'd have to go and lose 4.5 trades, or let's just say 5 trades, to go into minus. This is what I teach in my education, whether you want to do my course, one-to-one mentorship plan, which includes the course, and 3 months free in my group chat where you get group live calls. There's multiple things in place. I've got an ebook as well. It's just down to you what you want to actually take action on, and I'm more than happy to help you guide your way through your trading journey and help you become a self-sufficient trader. You just need to pull the trigger. It's the hardest thing to do, but you won't regret it if you go ahead and do it. I've taught over 100 people in the past, so wait until the end of the video if you want to hear more about that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share if you haven't already, and we'll analyze this most recent trade. So I essentially took the trade to this level because, again, it was a lower high once. You know, we could just be putting having another go, maybe double topping and eventually losing this. So what I do is I wait for the golden pocket and the reversal wave, and then I'm looking for any bullish signals above the golden pocket. And so we took another trade, and this is what we were actually analyzing in my Discord community, where we do weekly group calls on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So there will be one tonight. And in Tuesday's group call, when price was up here on Bitcoin, we were actually suggesting to everyone that we would come down, and this is the area we want to be taking trades. And with that, I've taken a trade of a 5.26 to 1 risk to reward. So this would suggest that I have to go and lose pretty much, well, just a bit over 5 trades in a row to go ahead and lose the profit made from this trade that's now hit take profit. So if we add these two together, 4.6 and 5.3, let's just say, we're pretty much almost at a 10 risk to reward. So I'd have to go and lose 10 trades in a row, guys, to lose the profit from these two trades. This is the strategy that I do every single day when I'm charting or trading. If you want to learn how to do this for yourself, use the links in the description down below, private message me on Twitter, or head straight to the website and look through those options. But yes, at the end of this video, we'll go through it in a bit more detail, because with some of those options, you do get free things included. So what's going on right now, as we've met my technical target over here, the 1414, the reason why I didn't take the trade to the 1618, yes, it would have provided a better risk to reward, but our criteria is that it just needs to be 3. So this is well over the criteria. So it's a great trade. But the reason why I took it to here is because over the past few months, I've been noticing on some occasions we've been missing this. So I'd rather just take it to where I'm more confident. It's not a suggestion that it won't get up there. It's just because what I've been noticing over the past few months is that some altcoins, maybe even Bitcoin at times, is failing to meet this final target. And with that, I'd just rather be a bit more conservative. Not that that can't happen. Again, when we break through the golden pocket and the 1 fib level, these all become valid, in fact, targets above that point. But we could be getting a rejection here, could be getting a rejection here, and start another dump and then target these. So we could have a third trade essentially. Instead of having one trade targeting all the way up there and it potentially going wrong, I rather dissect them into multiple mini trades. And with that, yeah, we can see that we have to lose 10 trades in a row now because of our risk to reward over here, to go ahead and lose all this profit. So if you want to learn how to do this, private message me with the links in the description down below. While we are above this golden pocket, we are looking for continuation to 38 to 40k as our key level of resistance next. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Listen to the education right now. Like, subscribe, comment, share. If any of you are interested in learning how to trade just like me, there's multiple options. Click this ebook. It covers all the strategies that I use in these YouTube updates, so you will have all the same skills. Covers the Japanese candlestick, chart patterns, support and resistance, why I use EMAs over trend lines, Fibonacci's, divergences, and again, using these all together to profit using them. I've also got a discount on my course at the moment, which ends at the end of this month. So that's down to £100. You also gain free access to my Discord community for the next 3 months, where you can expect to be a part of 12 to 24 group mentorship calls. If you want something that's a bit more personalized to your needs, then join my one-to-one mentorship plan. You can choose 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help, and included will be the 3 months free in the community, as well as my 6-hour long video course.